Jesse Stein, sabay-sabay naman ating i-welcome si Amari together with Mommy Danica and Daddy Radian!
And I won't go back to sleep again, 'cause I know that today will be the best day. Today will be the best day. Today will be the best day.
Hi, Amari. Sana lumaki kang mabait, mapagmahal, at saka maging marunong sa buhay at maasikaso sa mga magulang.
There's nothing else that I just need.
Kaya Mari, wish ko lang lumaki kang hindi sakitin at saka matalinong bata. Yun lang po. Yun lang.
Today will be the best day. 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 I hope this day will never end, 'cause I know that today will be the best day. Today will be the best day.
Hi, Amari. Happy birthday. Ay,
Happy Christmas.
sana maging mabait at maging matalinong bata.
I love you, Amari.
Deep down inside my soul, the story's starting to unfold. So I'll keep chasing new horizons. I'm not giving up. The best days are yet to come. The best days are yet to come. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, I can see it. The best days are yet to come.
Hi, Amari! Welcome to the Christian world. And ang wish namin is sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, responsible, and may takot sa Diyos. Sana lumaki kang masaya and yun lang. Ang prayer ko for you is sana maging healthy ka palagi. Kayong dalawa ni ate mo, lahat ng mga mahal mo sa buhay, and sana lagi kayong ilalayo sa lahat ng kasamaan ni Lord.
Starting to unfold. So I'll keep chasing new horizons. I'm not giving up.
Hello, Amari. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana, lumaki kang mabuti at may takot sa Diyos. Pero sa lahat-lahat, ang wish ko lang sana, bigyan pa kami ni Papa Jesus ng malusog na pangangatawan at mabuting buhay dahil di mo matutupad yung wish mo pag wala kami. At sana habang buhay, kompleto tayo at lagi tayong masaya. Yun lang yung wish ko.
Sana lumaki ka, thankful, and always happy.
I love you, anak!
Amari Cassandra Dane del Rosario. Binibinyagan kita sa pangalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Diyos Espiritu Santo. Amen.